Hi guys, welcome to this very short video review about iBotta. I'm not going into very detail. I've been using iBotta since almost half a year. It started on Thanksgiving with the free Thanksgiving dinner from Walmart. And it was, I think, around $20, and they were saying, yeah, okay, you can get the Thanksgiving dinner with everything, with the turkey and everything for free if you download and use the iBotta app. And I thought, yeah, okay, why not? I mean, why not to take a free meal? And it turned out it was a huge thing. I mean, it cost me hours, and I've already done 2 videos about that, and it was a pain and a hassle and everything. But finally, I mean, that was mid-November or something like that, and now we have mid-March, and I got finally my money back from the Thanksgiving dinner. So the positive thing, I can tell you, it works. It's not a scam. You can get your money or part of your money back. It somehow works. On the negative side, it's very, very complicated. It can be time consuming, and there can be huge delays in the payment. So when I started this thing for the Thanksgiving dinner, I had to set up the account on iBotta, and downloaded the app and downloaded the plugins. You can see that here. I'm here on walmart.com, and when I go shopping, then on the right side automatically the iBotta is opening and showing me some things which I can buy cheaper, and I can then click on this plus icon and it will note it down. And when I buy it there, I think no matter if I buy online or in the store, they will check after that. I mean, of course, you have to make proof that you have been buying that. The easier thing is when you go to the store and then you get the receipt, and then you can scan the receipt, and then we'll check if you really have bought it, and then you get some kind of credit, but you don't get cash instantly. That's a little bit the problem, because you can only get real cash if you are above $20. So the Thanksgiving dinner was only, I think, $16 or $17 because some things were sold out. And then I was stuck with this amount. They said, okay, they will credit me, but I couldn't do anything, not even transfer this to PayPal. So the thing is actually, what's making it really, really complicated is to, especially when you buy these things like on Walmart or other stores, you really have to go to this website before you go shopping, and click on everything which you want to buy with a plus, and then you have this shopping list, and then you can go shopping. Or I mean, of course, you can go to the iBotta website, and then you can search for Walmart, and then it will show you everything which is on discount for Walmart. But usually that's not stuff which you're used to buy. It's usually other stuff, and you don't get huge discounts. I mean, sometimes there can be nice discounts, but usually it's not so much. So it's really complicated. It's a lot of work, and then you go shopping, and then you are scanning the receipt, and then you get a credit, and then you have to wait. First thing, again, you have to wait till everything is approved, and second thing is you have to wait till you're above the $20 to cash out. And after everything has been credited and confirmed and everything, and then you can go to the app and transfer your balance, your whole balance, not only what is above $20, but the whole thing you can transfer to, let's say, PayPal or so. So that's a good thing. That worked really easily. I mean, as a proof, I have copy-pasted this thing here from PayPal. You can see, I mean, I'm not affiliated with iBotta, not with Walmart, not with anything. It's just my personal, honest experience and my opinion on that. So you can see I really got this amount, and why actually this amount here, it's much higher than with the Thanksgiving dinner, and that's a positive thing. So till now I have more or less only been complaining about iBotta, but there's also a good thing, and it happened when we booked a hotel in January. So when we went to, I think it was eBookers or so, we just were looking for a hotel, and I didn't even remember that iBotta is also sometimes refunding some percentage on bookings. I was just booking the hotel. I haven't been doing anything. This thing was just on the right side. I barely noticed that the iBotta was also open when I did the hotel reservation on eBookers. But after making the payment with my credit card for the hotel, there was this thing opening up from iBotta and saying, hey, yeah, we have noticed you have been booking a hotel. We will check that if you have been there, and if everything is okay, we will refund you some money. This was a really big surprise. I haven't been doing anything. I mean, this is really a nice thing to get some refunds on hotel bookings. But I mean, still it was in January, and now we have mid-March. It was only credited now, so it took another 2 months, but finally I got the money back. So that's my bottom line, my final resume here for iBotta for daily shopping. If you just go to Walmart and want to save money, for me that's definitely not working. If you really don't have anything to do, you don't know what to do the whole day, and you can, like doing, instead of couponing, you can collect these things and then go to Walmart and buy exactly these things and nothing else. Okay, yeah, that could work, of course, but it's so much time. It's so time consuming and tiring, and it's from my side it's just not worth it. On the other side, really, regarding the booking, I don't know if it's working on every page. I will check maybe next time if I really have to use eBookers or so. Yeah, this is definitely worth the thing. I mean, there was no extra work, absolutely nothing. So if you book a hotel maybe for 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 or so, this could be a lot of money which you can get back. At least maybe it covers 1, 2 or 3 meals or so. That could be really nice, and this really without doing anything. So this is definitely where I'm going to use that in the future, but not for daily shopping. And yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit and give you some recommendation about iBotta, if it's worth to use it or not. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.